Hmm. Hey, we're back. Man, I hate my internet. Okay, 50s are incoming. The 50s are coming. We're back. My questionable Starlink internet. Man, this thing is selling off. Woo. Man, I wish I would have been. Wish I would have taken this short. That'd be sweet. But we didn't. I don't know why I keep disconnecting. That's so frustrating. Seems like every day, at least once a day, I disconnect. Hey, Samir, we're back. Sorry about that. Not sure what happened. Kind of waiting. Hopefully we'll get to this 50 level, and I'll be looking maybe to dip my toe in here and just see if we can possibly buy right here. Ooh, this thing is selling, folks. Hey, Maddie and Op, welcome back. DL, welcome back. Hold it. We are selling. The Bears are in control. Man. Well, I'm glad we didn't just buy right there at the 50s. Might look to buy here, maybe. Oh, and down we go further. Wow. Wow. Down to the 30s. We ripped right through the 50s here. This thing is looking wicked. This thing is looking pretty the 20s, 520s are now kind of our next area of support. I guess this market is looking to sell. Hey, Jamil. Push up. Thanks for coming back. Wow. Hey, just ain't right. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Hopefully they'll listen. They don't even have to listen to me. Hopefully they'll just listen to someone in chat. Or I think it is important that Apex comes out and makes some changes. I think it is important. Hopefully they will. I think they will. You haven't finished your write-up on FOMO yet? We are just selling here. I guess, I mean, I was expecting a range day up until the FOMC, but maybe not. Maybe it's a trend. Excuse me, a trend day. It's a trend day where we just keep going down. It could be. Starting to think about just getting in on this short. Getting in on this short train. You get FOMO from others? Yeah, that's a real thing. What changes I want to see? I think let me remember. I would like them to change the basically I think it's important that they narrow down the time that time is required from eval to a payout. I think it's important they narrow that gap. So I would like them to take, instead of having to have 10 traded days for your payouts, I would like to have that be 5 days. And then the evaluation process be only 4 days. I think that's important. And then I'd like to see them process payouts every week, instead of every other week. Yeah, those are just. And then I think it would be cool to have an end of day drawdown option. I don't want them to get rid of the trailing drawdown option. I only want them to I want another option, an end of day drawdown option with a daily loss limit. That, like, to me, I think those would be great changes. So we'll see. All right, our first little bit of a flicker of a pullback here. How big will this pullback be? I'm actually, now that we're below this range, we're below the 50s. I'm not sure I trust trying to catch a bounce here. I mean, we definitely could bounce right here. We are in the 15-minute. Like, we're right in this range. So we could definitely happen. But this is a lot of selling. This does look promising though. Kind of want this to come back down and test it. And then all right, our lows are just at the low of the day. Come on, fill me. Okay, first target filled. We're just gonna try and catch this thing. We're gonna try and get a runner going. This thing wants to V-shape reverse it, then that'd be sweet. Though we will probably take profit right here at the 50s. A lot of prior support right there, so no need to get greedy. Let's give it some time. Let's give it some time. I mean, patient trader it's a very valid question. Very valid question. And I'd be lying if I said that isn't still an option. I'd be lying if I said that isn't something I'm considering. I am not comfortable doing it yet. I want to be a little more consistent and I want to get a little more screen time and I just want to get a little bit more experience in trading and watching and looking at the charts before I do that. If that makes sense. But like that move right there, I mean, 16 ticks was like 2 seconds. All right, I'm just going. Think about just getting out here. I think I will get stopped out, but it's okay. I'm gonna just wait, give it a chance. If we get stopped out, it's okay. But we're giving it a chance. Ribbit. Yeah, most of it is emotional. Douche chart. I don't, Justine, right? I don't. Okay, here we go. This is good. If we can bounce and close the bar up here, this would be great. Come on, rip it. Rip it higher, not lower. Ribbit. Yeah, this thing's gonna. It might be looking to do lower lows here. It might. I think the bears are not quite done yet. Come on, bulls. Come on, bulls. Get in here and rip this thing higher. Yeah, it's not going to happen. Okay. Go, bulls. Go. Go, go, go. You can do it. You can do it. Push it. Don't give up. Don't give up. It's trying and failing and trying. Just can't quite get there. Okay, is that okay, patient trader? That's really good to know, actually. That's actually that's inspirational, patient trader, and I think there is some value because it would teach you discipline, and yeah, I like that idea. I like that thought. Ooh, this is what we're talking about, folks. This is what we talked about. Ooh, this, come on. Rip it. We'll take profit right here at the 48s. Come on. If it fails here, I might cut it. Need this thing to get above the 40s here. Come on. Rip it. Come on. You know what? We're going to take our profit right here. It's struggling to get above the 40s here. We might go higher, but it's okay. No need to be greedy. Yeah, I know, Alpine, right? It came down right to my break even, and it would have stopped me out by one tick. Good observation. Yeah, Mr. Push-Up. That is very true and very smart. Hey, traitorous chick. How we doing? How we doing? We chilling. Let's see what happens here. This could just be a pullback, you know, and now we keep going lower. So kind of interested to see what happens here. Struggling to get above the 40s. Good one. Good one. Thank you, Indian Justine, right? Yeah, I'm happy with that trade. I was patient. I was thinking about buying here on a bounce, but obviously that would not have worked out. I was expecting a bounce through all. Somewhere there we'll catch a bounce. All right, now we might rip it if we break above the 40s here. If you held, then that's great. I'm not sure, Justine, right? I mean, the overnight session, we sold off a lot because of earnings. And I'm assuming this is just more of a continuation of that, is what I'm assuming. And here we go. Probably going to test the 50s here. The way it looks. Here we go. Yeah, that's actually a good question, Esther. Patient trader, did you take only one trade to get your $100 a day? Yeah, that's a very good question. Like, did you take one trade, patient trader, and basically had a set, take profit, and if you reach that take profit on your first trade, then you were done for the day. And if it hit your stop loss, was it also $100? And then were you done for the day as well? So I feel like that would almost need, or that would need to be consistent on your stop loss too, because I know for me personally how it goes when you try to make back those losses. Oh, we would have hit our take profit here. So took a little bit profit a little bit early here, but I'm okay with it. We caught most of the move. Yeah, Cartier. Yep. Okay, this. I'm going to get short here right off of this 50. And my stop is going to be just right above this. Oh, no. Maybe a little bit premature here. Come on, man. I might have been early. But that's where I was looking on a pullback. Like to see a little bit more selling here. I'm not seeing what I like to see here. Come on. I need a little bit. I need more than that. Yep, I'm not liking it. What happened there? What? What was that? That hit my stop loss like a good 3-4 seconds before the price was even close to it. Really? Okay, we're just gonna melt up here. Unfortunate. I don't think I was. No, my connection was good, or at least I think it was. But that was odd. Guess we're gonna be a good loser. Just to slow melt it up. Let's see if we get above this EMA. Urgh. Sorry, patient trader. Now I want to read what you have to say. You did some days that wiped out a few days of profit. At that point, I didn't care. I just wanted to know and experience being profitable almost every day. After a few months, I would. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay, patient trader. Good to know. Yeah, I guess this is a V shape. I mean, that we still need to get above this EMA. So I'll be honest, if we start selling here off this EMA, I'm gonna take another short. I could have had my stop above this EMA. Maybe should have given it a little more room just in case we kind of overshoot here. Not really in the mood to just see this thing melt up and stop me out again, though. But, okay, I'm going to do it.